Hi guys, just want to do a review on this cool little stool that we got for our daughter. She likes it. She likes using it as a table, putting her toys already on it. But she also knows how to use it. I'm going to try to get her to show you how she gets on the bed with it. All right, take this. Let's go. Come on the bed. Come on. You got to get your stool. Get the stool.
Can you get the stool?
Thank you. Good job. So it's pretty light. She could carry it. She's less than 2 years old. It's pretty sturdy when it's against the frame. She knows how to kind of push it. And there she goes. It's solid. And she's on. So, yeah, just hope you like that review. I'm glad that she actually did the demonstration. Like, we like it. I think it came with this, so I think you can put it right here or something like that. So, colors are great. Pink, purple is perfect for my daughter. She loves the color pink, and yeah, it serves its purpose for sure. She's starting to learn to use it to brush her teeth against the vanity in the bathroom. But yeah, hopefully you guys like the review. Thank you.